Promoter Toto British shot dead in Clarendon after being deported from Cayman Islands. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Maypen police in Clarendon are investigating the death of a businessman and the wounding of a female in Barbie District on Friday, February 18. Dead is Ian Ellington, also known as Toto British, of Huntspen in the parish. Toto British is a promoter who had in recent time worked with dancehall entertainers such as Spice, Dexter Dub and Intense. He is also the owner of British Bling Transport Rental. According to reports, explosions were heard around 11:15 p.m. and the police were summoned. Upon the arrival of the police, the individual was discovered slumped over the steering wheel of a motor car. The female, who was also in his company, was shot 3 times in the leg. Ellington and the wounded female were taken to hospital, where Ellington succumbed to his injuries and the female treated and released. The police have stated that they believe that Ellington was the target of the attack, as he reportedly had strong ties with the criminal underworld and was recently deported from the Cayman Islands for drug-related activities. The police theorized that he might have been trailed to the area where the attack took place. The police have also stated that the motor car in which he was killed was used in a robbery in January in Brownstown of this year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.